In this video, we're starting with some DIYs. Now, there's nothing wrong with the way this decor looks. I just wanted to give them a little update and use them in my Christmas decorating. So let's get started. Off camera, I used Rust-Oleum's matte black spray paint. Then I used some acrylic gray paint that I had on hand, watered that down at about a 50-50 mix of water to paint. Got a nice thin consistency and just began layering it on, as you can see here, using different brushes, rags, until I get the effect that I'm happy with. Hey, if it's your first time here, welcome. If not, thank you for coming back. I'm so glad you chose to click on this video today. I think this gray wash is softening up that black paint quite nicely. And now for the back. First off, I'm going to start out with this beautiful, very realistic looking lamb's ear. I decided to use an unconventional greenery. I just think it's nice to mix them up. There'll be lots of pine cones though. There'll still be that. But I thought that this was really, I like the way it looked. I like the soft green color. And these succulents, I just thought they were cool. And then I used some picks that I had on hand that I've used in previous years. Next up, project number 2. I got this as a part of a gift basket years ago for Christmas, and I liked the container so much, I said, I know I can do something with it. Well, the time has come, and I like the way it looks. It's very rustic, but I'm going to use the same technique that I used on that last update, and the same color wash. Why not? Now I'm going to use different brushes and go in different directions to build up the paint just like I did in the last project. I find this method of painting so relaxing. And now for the greenery. I got these at Joann's. They were buy one, get 3 free. And I think one stem was $7.99, so you can't beat that. I'm adding more succulents to this. I thought it looked good. I kind of just add different things until I like the way that it looks. You'll see on my home tour that I end up adding some feathers to this for a little contrast. I thought it really came out good. Project number 3 is my Christmas tree base. I was never too crazy about this pewter finish, so I've been wanting to change it, so that's what we're going to do. And this time I used Krylon's khaki spray paint in matte finish, although I have to say it kind of looked in some areas more like a satin. Mixed up a wash with antique white paint that I had on hand and water, and went to work. I decided I would add a little bit of green wash to the center flower and the little wreath detail here. Maybe I should have gone a little darker, but I did like the way the finish looked. But I thought a little color would be a nice addition. And you'll have to wait for the tree to see the after on this one. And now the last project are these black candlesticks. They used to be white. I spray painted these black many years ago. They've been many colors, but I'm ready to lighten them up, so I'm going to use the same khaki color spray paint and use the same color wash to give this a fresh new look. Now, before we jump into the tour, I just wanted to show you the garland that I got. This one here was from Joann's. It was $16.99 and 70% off. It does pay to shop after Thanksgiving. And this one here is pre-lit. It was $21.99, 50% off, and I got this one at Hobby Lobby. Now, the pre-lit one is very sparse, but I figured if I added them together, it would work out just fine. Now, without further ado, let the tour begin on my front porch. And here I took my headless vessel, added some greenery that had some pine cones attached. It's kind of plain, so I added this kind of champagne painted pine cone that I already had. Let's check out my console table. And here's that arrangement that I did, and here's those feathers I was telling you about. It added just the right amount of contrast. Hey, let me know in the comments which one of the DIYs was your favorite. Now, this little tree, a dear friend gave this to me. He was going to throw it out, asked me if I wanted it. It was pre-lit. I gotta admit, it was pretty ratty, but I said yes, because, hey, I liked the urn. And I decided I would just put a whole bunch of decorations on it, mostly gold, but I threw in some vintage ones that I've had since I was a child. It's just really fun. I actually keep this decorated and put a bag over it. And when I don't feel like doing my other tree, I just put this one next to the fireplace and plug it in. I think it's really cute. Now, in just a moment, we're going to head inside of my 1930s craftsman bungalow so you can see my Christmas decorations. I just do the dining room and the entryway here, but I want to wish you a very happy holiday. Thank you for tuning in this year. I'm growing very slowly, but I'm very thankful for each and every one of you, and I'm looking forward to growing this community of design enthusiasts. Now, enjoy the holiday music.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart is somewhere else. I'm thinking of you, babe, and all your crazy ways. I miss you more right now. It must be these holidays. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. And oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I'd give to have you here, my dear. We could sing and laugh about our wonderful year. I can see it now, yeah, your lips stained from the wine, and that sweet smile you have, your hand in mine. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. Oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. I'm dreaming you home for the holidays. I'm dreaming you home right now. I'm dreaming you home because you're all I really want. I'm dreaming you home tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas.